Anyone using a regular Gmail Google account and adults in our school division have the ability to save passwords. In general, this is a fairly safe practice as long as you don't walk away from your device, leaving it unlocked. Remember, if you're going to walk away from your screen, to lock it, even at the elementary school. Flying Windows plus L to lock your desktop, and magnifying glass plus L to lock your Chromebook. Having stated that caution, I say saved passwords are both expedient and practicable. So to find and look at your saved passwords, you're going to go to the three dots and to settings in the Chrome browser. And once we're in here, I just search for the word passwords. It'll pop up under autofill. Follow that arrow and you will land on the page that has all of your saved passwords. And as I scroll down here, you can see all of the places where Chrome is saving a password for me. This is useful if you just want to know what your passwords are because you're trying to sign in on a separate device or a new device and you don't want to go through the hassle of resetting your password. You can also search for a particular password by searching at the top. And there's my Amazon password right there. And you can then see the password by clicking on the eyeball. And then your device is going to prompt you for the password that you used to sign into either your Chromebook or laptop or whatever it is that you're using. If you scroll to the bottom of this page, you will see your never saved list. This list gets created whenever you are on a web page and it offered to save the password and you told Chrome no thank you. If you change your mind later, you can go to the never saved list, choose the one you want, and by clicking the X, the next time you go to that web page, Chrome's going to offer again to save the password, and then you can just do that at that time. Finally, you can also export the entire list of saved passwords by going to the three dots that are across from the words saved passwords. And you can see when you click that, it is going to offer to export your passwords. It'll create a spreadsheet with all of them on that. I would encourage you to use extreme caution if you decide to do this because what you're creating is a spreadsheet with all of your passwords unencrypted, which could be a bit risky if you're not careful with it. Really don't want that floating around in your account. Have a great day filled with love and learning, and if you need anything at all, see your IT RT.